Hello, in this video we're gonna check if there's a stereo speakers on Xiaomi Redmi A2. And to do this, first we'll need to find all of the speakers on this device, and there's one speaker on top of the screen, and that's a phone call speaker. Next is on the top side of your phone right here. And that's basically all of them. Now to determine if they are stereo speakers, we'll need to play some music, cover each of them with our fingers. If the sound is coming from both of the sources, that's a stereo speaker. If the sound is coming only from one source, that's a mono speaker. Now let's try that. Okay, so the sound is actually coming from both of the speakers, which I can confirm that this device does have the stereo speaker. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.